build an arch, she said. I said, I don't have any building experience. And then I remembered, I built 7 photo booths. I can do this.
I can do this.
You think I can do this?
Yeah.
All right, I need to get this triangle arch put together. So let's do this. I've got my 8-foot boards that I already made a 60-degree angle cut on. So if you cut them at a 60-degree angle, then they will do a triangle shape. And so that's what we're going for, is the triangle shape. And then I'm just going to run screws through the back of them and then a metal plate over it so that I can attach them together, make some bases. Super simple, run some screws through them. Okay, so I've laid out the wood right here, the triangle piece, and I'm basically just going to drill 2 holes there and then run a metal plate so that I can bolt it through. So we've got these here. We're just gonna put them up through there. We've got the arch up. Let's build the bases. So we're gonna cut 2 feet of board to help put those up. We're gonna cut 4 little slices. Okay, so I've got my wood blocks there. Okay, so she's starting to come together a little bit. There's one of the feet piece, so I'm gonna make 1 more of these. Okay, so it fits in there, and then all we have to do is run some screws through there now. Okay, so I've got my big drill bit, and on my pieces, I've marked exactly where to drill. X marks the spot on each side, and I'm just gonna drill through. All right, ready? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Build an arch.
Vroom, vroom. I always do little crap like that. I only use it sometimes, but yeah.